Hello there. Welcome to day 20 of our 28 days of Airstream renovation. I'm filming this way after day 20 because as I was going through the video, I realized that I must have been going insane because I did a horrible job filming day 20, actually days 19 through 21. We just had a ton of stuff going on. So in the interest of being organized, I just decided to film an intro later. It's just gonna look better. It was a hectic few days. We had the subfloor guy coming in and we had friends over, and also I was burnt out. It was very, very tiring working on that Airstream every single day for a month. So that being said, this is day 20, and if you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified anytime we release a new video. Enjoy day 20. Whew. What a day. Well, the subfloor project went really, really well. Alex, the guy that came over to do the work for us, was awesome. He's going to be back on Monday to finish up some subfloor in the front and then to lay down the floor that we picked out, which I'll show you in a minute. I just want to show you this subfloor. It's really amazing. I'm going to give you a basic gist of how we got it in there. I will link a full video above of the entire subfloor project so that if you are, wanting to fix your subfloor but not pull everything out, that this will kind of give you a good blueprint for how to do that. So let's go to the back and check out the new subfloor. We had, as you already know, pulled out all of the subfloor from before. So when Alex got here, he just needed to take some measurements and use cardboard to get the radial edges correct, which took a little bit of time. He also had to cut out notches to accommodate the bolts that are bolting the body into the frame in the C-channel. And from there, the very first piece was a little difficult to get in, but once that was in, it was smooth sailing from there. We worked for about 5 hours today and got it completely done in the back. There were some interesting cuts he had to make to get around the water heater and all that jazz. All in all, super, super happy with it. It definitely took a lot less time than it would have if me and Goran had done it. And that's, something you need to keep in mind. If a project is a little bit more than you feel you are capable of doing, find somebody else to help you. There is no shame in hiring somebody or asking somebody for help. If you ask for help, the project continues to move along. If you get stuck and frustrated, the project will sit for months. So ask for help. PSA of the day. Next thing on the handy dandy list today is to get a coat of the waterproofing / mildew resistant paint on these floors. So let's talk about what we are going to be sealing these floors with. The plywood that we got is already, pressure treated and it's gonna be good against water, but we also wanted to, with the old floors, kind of block some of the smell. And I know with some water leaking, there's probably some mildew or mold or something. So we're gonna go with Kills again. The Kills Mold and Mildew Interior and Exterior Primer. So I'm just gonna get a nice little coat of this on the floor. And hopefully that will seal in the smell and make it more waterproof as well.
There's a few rotten spots, which we expected around these battery compartments. Started cutting those out, hoping that we could kind of seal out the weather with the doors in place, and those doors are just not built for for being weatherproof to the outside. They were built to allow air exchange into the plastic boxes that were there. Those plastic boxes are not going to remain, and as you can see, it had been leaking anyway for quite a while. So I had to tear all that out. We're going to clean that up on the outside, get that temporarily sealed while we finish up the inside here. So got to finish the floor. That means we got to chop out chunks here, some of this designated area. As you can see, also our electrical is in shambles right now. Our DC stuff is in the process of being yanked out. We have all the new things. We just need to get a firm subfloor area so that we can get that stuff mounted and everything in place. So lots more work to do before we continue with replacing floors. We gotta chop some of this stuff out, get rid of all the rot in the foam, and that includes this little area over here under the fridge. So gonna go at it with the multi-tool, first with the circular saw, kind of cut over the joists of the frame and remove what needs to be removed and clear out that C-channel, get some new pieces in place, get that sealed up on the outside, and then continue with our flooring while we continue unraveling other threads.
Goran has seriously gone to town today. He had to get all of the subfloor and all that foam that was up front out so that when Alex, our floor guy, comes tomorrow, he won't have to do that. He can spend more time doing the important stuff. Whew. All right, guys, that's it for day 20. Again, if you have not subscribed yet, we would love for you to join us in our journey. Just hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you'll be notified anytime we release a new video. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye.